Listen to the magic clock on the wall, shining bright. Ticks and tocks both day and night. Round and round the hands go slow. What it knows we do not know. Every tick has a tiny sound. Every tock makes magic round. Tick-tock, tick-tock, what do I see? The magic clock is talking to me. Tick-tock, tick-tock, time so kind. Happy moments it helps us find. When I wait, it softly ticks, teaching me its gentle tricks. Not too fast and not too slow. Step by step I learn to grow. Tick-tock, tick-tock, what do I see? The magic clock is talking to me. Tick-tock, tick-tock, calm and bright, guiding me from day to night. Close your eyes and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, hear the door. Time says take your turn today. Slow and steady is the way. Tick-tock, tick-tock, round it goes. Every minute helps me grow. Tick-tock, tick-tock, time so true. The magic clock watches over you. Tick-tock, soft and clear, time is magic when we care. Tick-tock, day and night. The magic clock says you're doing right.